Hello and welcome to the section 8 of the course, Man in the Middle Attack or Sniffing. So now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we will learn about what is MacChanger tool. Then we will learn about Wireshark tool. We will also learn about Ettercap, and finally MITM proxy and DriftNet tools. Using MacChanger tool. So what we are going to learn here in this video, first of all, we are going to learn about what is MacChanger tool inside Kali Linux operating system, and then how we can change the MAC address of machines that we are going to learn here in this video. So you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and then I'm going to show you about MacChanger tool. So I'm here at Kali Linux operating system. So let's talk about MacChanger tool. First of all, open the terminal of Kali Linux. So click here and open the terminal. Inside the terminal, we are going to start MacChanger. So first of all, let's take a look at the commands of the MacChanger. So the terminal, you can type MacChanger space -h. Let's take help of MacChanger, hit enter. So you can see here that these all are the commands here, right? For example, this one to get information about current MAC address of the machine. This one to set random MAC address of any kind. This is to set the permanent one, means recover the permanent one. This is to set the random one, right? This is to get the list of the known vendors. We are going to use all these options here. Now let me show you what is the current MAC address, right? So to check the current MAC address, you can type here on terminal MacChanger space. Now you need to choose the option. So -s is the option for printing the current MAC address. So let me type -s and then your adapter, which is ETS0, right? So now you can hit enter, and here you can see that this is the current MAC address. Right here you can see that we are working on VMware Workstation, that's right, and this is the current MAC address, and same is the permanent MAC address. So this is your permanent MAC address, right? Now how we can change it? For example, if I want to use this one, set random vendor MAC of any kind, right? So I can try -A option here. So here you can type MacChanger space -A space your adapter, which is ETS0. Now you can hit enter, and here you can see this is your current MAC address, this is your permanent MAC address, but this is your new MAC address. You can check here, right? So you got the new MAC address from any vendor available in the industry, right? This is your MAC address. If you want to check your current MAC address, you can try this command again. Let me copy this command and let me paste this command here, and you can hit enter. So you can see here that you have this new current MAC address here. So you can see here that your previous MAC address is changed here, right? So this is your current MAC address. You can also try this one, random, set fully random MAC address, where you have no idea that this MAC address is from which vendor, right? So you can type here MacChanger space -r and space your adapter ETS0, hit enter, and here you can see that you got the new MAC address, which is unknown, right? If you check your current MAC address, obviously it will be your new MAC address. Let me paste here, hit enter. Here you can see this. So this is your current MAC address, right? We have previously changed it to any unknown MAC address, and this is our current MAC address. Alright. You can also go back to the original one. If you want to go back to the permanent one, you can try -p. Let me try -p here. So you can type here MacChanger -p and your adapter ETS0 to get back to the permanent one, and hit enter. And here you can see you can see that this was your permanent MAC address, and now you can see that your permanent MAC address is recovered using -p option, which is basically called permanent option. So if you want to go back to the permanent MAC address, then you can use -p, right? You can also check a list of known vendors if you want, right? So what you can do here, basically you can type here MAC changer -l space your adapter ETS0, hit enter, and here you can see. So you can see here that these all are the vendors at the right hand side. For example, Samsung Magic Line, right? So this is the MAC address. It starts with these digits, right? This is fixed for these particular vendors. So for example, D-Link. So D-Link, all the devices of D-Link will start with this digits, right? So these are the digits of D-Link, these are the digits of SMC, these are the digits of Samsung, and so on. Cisco is also available. Cisco AIR, this will start from these digits, right? So Sony will start from these ones. So that's how you can check that if you have any MAC address, so you can check with this list that which is the right vendor for this MAC address, right? So that's how you can basically change the MAC address. You can change it to any random MAC address or any unknown vendor MAC address or known vendor MAC address using these commands. So this is all about MAC changer tool. In the next video, we are going to learn about Wireshark tool. Thank you.